Welcome to the Cartwheel Onboarding video guide. Today you will learn about basic order processing through Cartwheel. You'll be operating from 3 different roles. As a dispatcher or manager, you'll start by working with Cartwheel's web dashboard. As a driver, you will work with Cartwheel's driver app where you will accept, process and complete orders. As a customer, you will be able to track an order on the tracking page and rate a delivery. Let's get started. Logging into Cartwheel. Log into Cartwheel using the link and credentials that were sent to your email by our team. Perfect. Right now you're acting as a dispatcher or administrator. On the right side, you can see a map that displays icons for drivers, pickup locations, and drop-off locations. On the left side, you'll see a list of orders that contain order information. Let's talk about the Cartwheel organization structure. Teams and pickups. A team is the location of the operating region that combines pickups and drivers. Each pickup location and driver are associated with one team. When creating users for the dashboard, your dispatchers, store managers, etc., you can give them access to one or multiple teams based on your operations. Pickup location: this is the place where the order is delivered from, such as a restaurant or store. You can set individual conditions for a specific team or pickup location without changing the rules for other locations. These settings exist as a hierarchy. Pickup location: settings are applicable only for that location. Team: settings are applicable for that team's pickups, dispatchers and drivers. Global settings: applicable to the whole system and all users. Pickup location settings have priority over team settings, and team settings have priority over global settings. Creating a driver. Let's create a new driver. To do this, click on Drivers in the main menu. Then click on Add Driver. Fill in all required fields. These fields are highlighted in red. If you intend to receive orders that contain controlled substances, alcohol or tobacco, please make sure you include the driver's date of birth, as drivers must be over 21 to handle these deliveries. When creating a login, you may enter any login name you prefer. Enter the driver's phone number. Since, for the sake of this exercise, we are adding yourself as a driver, enter your own phone number so that you will receive a text message to download the driver app. Now, select a team, which is the area where the driver accepts and delivers orders. Fill in the remaining fields if needed, save and close. Logging into the driver app. As a driver, you should have received a text message with instructions on downloading and accessing information on the driver app. Please check your SMS. Tap on the link to download the driver app from the App Store or Google Play. Use the credentials from the text message to log into the app, which are your company's name with Cartwheel, your chosen login, and a pre-generated password. After the first login, drivers are presented with a basic order flow tutorial. They can return to this tutorial anytime in their user profile. The app will prompt drivers to set the location tracking to always. Please note, the app only tracks the driver's location when they turn the visibility on. Drivers may turn it off when they're not on shift, but setting location tracking services to always is crucial for tracking the driver's coordinates correctly during working hours. Go ahead and turn on visibility at the top left corner. Creating an order. To test the order flow, let's return to the dispatcher map on your computer and create a test order. As a dispatcher, click on the Create button. Choose a pickup location. The pickup address is filled in automatically. Now you'll enter a drop-off name, address, and phone number. This is your customer information. Later, you'll receive a text message to this phone number, so please enter in your own number for now. You may also add in drop-off notes, which are delivery notes the driver will see in their driver app. Next, scroll down a little bit and choose a payment type. Since this is a test order, you may choose any type. Now click Save and Close. You've just created your first order and now you can see the order-related icons on the map. You will find the meanings of the icons and colors under the map legend down on the lower left corner of the dispatcher map. Assigning orders to drivers. Now you can assign the order to a driver. There are 3 ways to do this. The first way is to manually click on Unassigned, then Assign Driver. Choose an available driver from the list and click OK. Once the order is assigned, the driver will receive a push notification to view the order on a new order screen. Now the driver has the option to accept the order. The other 2 you'll find under the Teams section. The second method of assigning drivers is a self-assign, meaning all drivers have the ability to view a list of all available orders. The first to claim an order will deliver it. The third method is to use automatic dispatch. The system will assign orders automatically based on your rules, such as distance to pick up, number of orders in progress, etc. For this tutorial, let's use the self-assign method. Accepting an order on the driver app. Drivers view all recent orders in the New Orders tab, either as a list or directly on the map. To view orders from the map, click on the map icon in the top right corner. ASAP orders on the map display a drop-off timer. There are 2 types of orders. First, orders that are assigned directly to you. Second, orders that are available to you and other drivers. If the order is assigned directly to you, you'll see an Accept Order text. To decline the order, tap the button to the left towards the X. To accept the order, swipe Accept Order to the right. If the order is available to both you and other drivers, you will need to swipe to claim order on the right to accept it. All accepted orders move to the Route tab. Tracking an order on the dispatcher map. As a dispatcher, you'll see the driver's name appear on the order card and the order's status and color will change. Each time an order changes its status, the order card and the icons on the map change colors. For example, an order that is assigned is orange, one accepted by a driver is blue, a picked up order is red, and so on. Don't forget, you can always find icon and color meanings in the map legend on the dispatcher map. For internal communication with your driver, you can use the Cartwheel driver chat that you'll find in the top left corner of the dispatcher map. Completing a pickup on the driver app. On the driver app, drivers will select the Route tab to view the stop sequence. Tap on the order to see that order's information. To complete a pickup, swipe the button. The Route tab will automatically scroll to the next stop. Drivers can see all accepted orders transformed into the stop sequence on the Route tab. If drivers accept multiple orders, Cartwheel will automatically calculate the most optimal route to deliver the orders efficiently. In this case, drivers will not need to decide the route for themselves. Customer notifications and order tracking page. Customers will receive a text with a tracking link after the driver picks up their order. If you provided a phone number when creating a test order earlier, you will receive an example of this text. Your customers can track their delivery by tapping on a link provided in the text message that takes them to the order tracking page. You can customize this page by uploading your logo and promo banner or by changing your primary color under Properties, Global Settings, Notifications. Completing orders on the driver app. Click the navigation icon on the stop to get directions to the next stop. This will help you, as a driver, to quickly navigate to the drop-off. Let's say the driver has arrived at the destination point and now they need to complete the drop-off. To do that, open the order. Depending on your company's processes, you can determine what actions the drivers take to complete the delivery, such as uploading proof of delivery pictures, performing ID scans, and more. Swipe the Complete Drop-Off button. The order is completed. Completed orders move from the Route tab to the History on the driver app. Completed orders on a Cartwheel web dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find completed orders under the Orders section in the main menu. There you'll be able to view all the orders and their relevant information. 20 minutes after order completion, your customer will receive a text notification containing a feedback request. You can store the customer's feedback internally or, for high-rated orders, request to share their feedback in Google. Thank you for watching. Cartwheel offers many additional features not shown in this video, such as a powerful reporting system, additional settings for accepting or rejecting orders based on client policy, and so much more. Therefore, we encourage you to continue testing our software to ensure everything works properly and you feel confident using it. If you have any further questions, please contact our support at support@trycartwheel.com or your onboarding manager. Goodbye.